I'm going to use this pattern to make these 3 projects. I just wanted to give a quick intro of what my plan is on this project. That's going to end up being 3 separate pieces. I put this together out of on Inkscape, this pattern. That font is called Cooper Black. And what I've done is I've stacked 3 pieces of 1/4 inch. Tried to get 3 different colors. And I'm going to cut the internal cuts first. This might be the wrong way to do it, but this is my plan. I'll cut the internal cuts first, and then I'm going to cut them around and cut the outside. And when I cut the outside of this bottom, I'm going to cut through right here where it overlaps. And then when I come up here, do the same thing on this next layer up. And then I'll take the 3 and mix and match them to get 3 different versions of this and glue them back together. They should match perfectly, cutting them all at the same time. Then I'll figure out a base of some sort for each one. And so let me see how this is going to turn out, and hopefully it'll be good. We'll see. As I was drilling these holes for these internal cuts, I came to the realization that the only true internal cuts I'm going to have is going to be in these A's. As I cut around and do the outline and these separation cuts, I'll have access to these other places. So I immediately quit drilling when I realized that. So I've got the A's drilled. I'll cut those out. Then I'll start working on the external cut and separation cuts. Now I have a number 12 skip tooth Pegasus blade. Well, there are the 3 combinations I've come up with. They're not glued together yet or finished. I was going to make stand-up pieces out of these, I think what I'm going to try is one of them to start with. I'm going to make it as a wall hanging. I'll make one with a base, and then I'll decide which I like the best and do that for the third one. But I think when I put a finish on those, they're really going to look nice. These pieces right here are cedar. Those two pieces got some nice grain in it. So let me get to gluing on this and figure out which ones I'm going to hang and make me a base for one of them. Okay, I got a little bit of finish on them. A lot of sanding and defuzzing. Could probably still do some more. It's the way it is with these things. You keep looking to find another spots. But I'm going to call this done for now. Got me 3 combinations there. I like the way that cedar, that red showed up in that cedar. Would have liked to have had a little lighter wood for one of them, but that works. It's different. I kind of like the grain in that one. And the cedar in this one, that's the cedar on top. It didn't have any of the red in that section like these others. I just got lucky. I tried to get that in there, and I didn't manage to get it in those two. So anyway, that's my Thanksgiving video. This one and the one before it. It's my Thanksgiving videos for this year. That's a cedar base on this one. That's a mahogany, and the other one is a walnut. I didn't make any of them hang. I just wasn't easy to make them hang right, so I just did it this way. So if you like that, hit the like button. And I'm probably going to get back to some more boxes after Thanksgiving. This will do me until after Thanksgiving before I really start fired up again. So if you like this and want to see what I do next, hit the subscribe button. And like I say, hit the like button if you like this and help me out if you can. I appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.